Dear students of class 5, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your teacher, Mushtaq Ahmed, subject teacher, computer, at BFC Noshar Feroz, going to conduct lecture number 3 from chapter number 2. This is our third lecture that is based on chapter number 2, peripheral devices. Students, this chapter is consisted on two portions. Portion number 1 is based on input devices. This portion starts from page number 14 to 19. And second portion is based on output devices that starts from page number 20 to 21. It means the devices that are known as the peripherals of the computer are based on two types. Number 1 is input devices. The devices which are used to enter data into the computer are called input devices. Number 2, output devices. Output devices are those devices which are used to display the result of processed data on the screen are known as output devices. In other terms, we can say that input and output devices are known as the peripheral devices. These devices are attached to the system unit of the computer. Now, in the previous lecture, we also learned about some input devices, and in this lecture, we are going to learn about some other peripheral devices that are also input devices. In this lecture, we will discuss them. Here are some devices that are known as the input devices and peripheral devices. Now in this lecture, we will study about joystick, touch screen and scanner. First of all, we will discuss about a joystick. A joystick is also known as external input peripheral device. It is used to play games. It is a lever that moves all directions and controls the movement of a pointer. Whenever a stick is moved, the pointer moves in the same direction on the screen. Number 2, the device of our discussion is touch screen. As touch screen is an electronic display screen which performs actions based on the location of a touch on the display area. Third number, we are going to discuss about scanner. A scanner is also one of the input devices that can read text or images printed on paper and translate information into a form the computer can store. Now these are the devices that are also known as input devices. Number 1, a joystick. Number 2, touch screen. Number 3, scanner. Joystick is also known as external peripheral input device. We use it to play computer games. Dear students, joystick is used to play computer games and it has a lever that controls the movement of a pointer whenever stick is moved. The pointer moves in the same direction. Number 2, touch screen. Touch screen is electronic display screen and scanner is a device that can read text images printed into the text or on paper and translate information into a form the computer can store and read it. Now these are the devices which are discussed here, and now I am going to show you the pictures of these devices on our book. Dear students, this is a joystick that is used to play computer games. It is a lever that moves all direction to control the movement of a pointer. जैसे हम कंप्यूटर गेम्स खेलते हैं तो उसी वक्त कंप्यूटर पर जो पॉइंटर है उसकी मूवमेंट को कंट्रोल करवाने के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं जॉयस्टिक. तो जॉयस्टिक is an input peripheral device that is used to play games. Secondly, I am going to display you touch screen and scanner. Dear students, this is the touch screen that is used in mobile phones, tablets, ATM machines and other places. Touch screen is an electronic display screen that senses contact through human touch or by a device such as a stylus. This is touch screen, and touch screen is used in mobile phones, ATM machines, tablets and other computing devices. Dear students, the picture on which I have put my finger, this picture denotes a scanner. A scanner is used in offices, homes, or other places. Now, this is the end of our lesson, our lecture. Now I am going to give you some homework that is based on these devices. You have to tell me about the use, homework is given to you that discuss about the usages, about uses of the said devices, that is joystick, touch screen, and scanner. This is the lecture based on today's, this is the homework based on today's lecture delivered, and it is the end of our lecture, and we will meet in the next lecture. Stay safe, be care, Allah Hafiz.